Hey everyone, Captain Leon from Captain Leon's Boating and More. Just got back from boating. Boat is covered in salt. It's real dirty. But what also gets really dirty, is your tow vehicle too, especially at the boat ramp, if you're a saltwater boater. And they say, sharing is caring. I just wanted to share with you this product that I bought. I just had to replace my tow vehicle. My prior one was so badly rusted underneath the undercarriage. I mean, people couldn't believe it when it went up on a lift and they looked underneath. Looked great on the outside, but underneath, bad news. So to avoid that problem with my new tow vehicle, I picked up this product on Amazon. It's awesome, and I want to just share it with you. This is not a paid endorsement. This company has no idea who I am, but it's inexpensive, and hey, you might enjoy it too. So let me show it to you right now. All right, so this company is called Mingle. To be honest with you, I think there's a few other companies that make very similar products. They call it pressure washer undercarriage cleaner, and it's pretty simple. There's just a few parts in here. You have one nozzle there, another and another. This is, tubular stuff, and then within it is the actual washer itself with the jets on it and this adapter. Now, let me be clear. This product advertises that it is designed to be used with a pressure washer. I gotta tell you, I didn't want to get involved running a pressure washer every single time I wanted to clean the undercarriage of my vehicle or my boat trailer for that matter. And this particular one came with this adapter, which connects right to my garden hose with my garden hose adapter. I've used it with just the pressure of the garden hose pressure, and you know what? It's great. It's putting ample water where I need it. Would it work better with a power washer? Absolutely. But the ease and convenience of connecting it to a garden hose, which I have out anyway, right? Because I'm washing the boat, I'm flushing the engine. Just this device just can't be beat. So the way this kind of works is, you have the jets here on this side that go ahead and shoot the spray of the water. And I'm just spinning this around and just connecting, the typical, compression fittings, or not compression fittings, but you know what I'm talking about for, air power when you have a compressor, power washer, or any type of pneumatic tool. It's the same type of fitting, right? And then, you can make it as long as you want. So here, I'm just connecting these two, and hopefully you're getting this all, on film. And then you have the end connector, which has a bend in it to make it a little bit more comfortable. And then at the end, of course, I have the connector that goes on, and then this just goes right, to my garden hose, and it wheels. So it's great. So easy to use, nothing to worry about rusting. And let me give you a quick demonstration of how this works. All right, so here we go. I'm just going to flip this lever, and boom, the jets are on their way, doing their thing. This allows me to get all the way underneath the truck, anywhere I need to get. Of course, I'm more concerned about the back of the truck, but you could use it anywhere, right? I want to get all the way under, and then, get underneath, and I could do the other side. It's so maneuverable. It's so easy. It's just a great way. I mean, some people talk about using a sprinkler, something you'd water your lawn with and throw it under the truck. And, you can do that too, but I just like the idea of me managing, how much water, is making it here. And it's just great. Can't hurt, and considering what I went through with the other vehicle, I feel like at least I'm getting some fresh water under here, and that's what's important. Can something like this work well on a trailer? Absolutely, right? Leaf springs. We know they are constantly rusting. So, this gives me an opportunity to get in, really close, get under those leaf springs, the trailer brackets, all your hardware, You know, hopefully this is coming out okay. I'm getting a spray pretty much everywhere, but it's awesome. It's awesome. So I recommend it. And you know, considering the cost, oh yeah, the cost. We didn't discuss that. Let me turn this off so we can have that conversation. Okay, as you can see, this item is available on Amazon. I purchased it not too long ago, and it is only $25.49. I mean, they do offer it in other configurations with a swivel wheel and your foam cannon and some other things. But the basic setup as I got it, I mean, how do you beat it, right? 25 bucks, one-time purchase, and it's something that could certainly help you over time in preventative maintenance steps from excessive rust. So I'll include a link in the description of the video here. It is an affiliate link, and you click on that and that'll get you right to the product on Amazon. As always, if this video has been helpful to you, if you like this content, you know, please subscribe to my channel, Captain Leon's Boating and More. We got dozens of videos, and hit that like button. It's very helpful. Appreciate your time, and happy boating.